a mouthwash for removing plaque from the teeth. When it comes to the health of our mouth, not everyone knows the proper way to take care of it. Sure, you may be brushing and flossing your teeth, but that is not everything that you can and should do. You may wonder why you should be so concerned about this. It is just your mouth after all. We will tell you why. Your general well-being depends upon the well-being of your mouth. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. All jokes aside, if you've started to think that we are going to promote some expensive remedy here, you are wrong. Quite the contrary. We would like to bring to your attention a universal mouthwash, which is not only effective but also super affordable, since the ingredients you are going to need can be easily found around the house. What you need. So, let's have a look at what you are going to need. The list is pretty simple. Baking soda, salt, hydrogen peroxide, cold and warm water, toothpicks, and a toothbrush. Have you found all of these in your house? Good. How to prepare? What should you start with? First of all, mix the salt and baking soda and make a paste out of it. When the paste is ready, apply it to your toothbrush and brush your teeth. Do not swallow the mixture. Just spit it out and repeat. After you are done with that, mix half a cup of hydrogen peroxide with the same amount of warm water and rinse your mouth. With a toothpick, eliminate the unnecessary remains and rinse with cold water. How often you should use this mixture? The procedure is pretty simple, and if you do it at least twice a week, the results will be amazing, since it not only cleans your mouth well, but also kills all the bad bacteria and whitens your teeth. Besides, because it consists of all natural components, there are no harmful chemicals or colorings or flavors like store-bought products contain. The conclusion: this mouthwash is totally effective and highly affordable. So, what are you waiting for? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.